if it is possible to remove mentions on Instagram story after it's been posted. So let's just post a story right here. If I just click a picture, and from here I can tag someone in my friend list. And once you do that, let's just post the story. Alright, so first thing that you have to make sure that is your story is posted. So once you do that, the closest thing that you can get to remove a mention on Instagram story is to add mentions. So if you just tap here, add mentions, you cannot remove anyone from your remove that you've mentioned before, but you can add people right here. So if you want to add someone, you can just do it like this. And as you can see, the mention has been added, but if you really want to remove the previous mention, then the only thing that you can do for now is delete the entire story and then repost the story with without the mention. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.